Okay, Jordan, go ahead.
Volcanoes. Krakatoa. How tall is Krakatoa? Krakatoa is 2,667 feet tall. Its biggest eruption was in 1883. So 36,000 people. It had an eruption 10,000 times the power of the atomic bomb. The atomic bomb was like dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. I mean, it's in Japan. Mount Fuji, this mountain is in Japan too. And Mount Fuji is 12,388 feet tall. It is located in Japan, I already said that. Its biggest eruption was on December 16, 1707. It killed an estimated 20,000 people, more than Krakatoa. It is also much bigger than Krakatoa, more than twice the size. Oh, this is the picture of Mount Fuji.
Cool.
This is Mount St. Helens. Some of you might have heard this one. Yeah. Mount St. Helens is 8,366 feet tall. Its biggest eruption was on May 18, 1980. It is located in Washington. There on the whatever. Mount St. Helens killed only 57 people, not as many as some of the other volcanoes, because not many people lived by Mount St. Helens. That makes a big difference.
Mm-hmm.
How does a volcano work? What causes volcanoes to erupt is when, like if there's a volcano that's like water or ocean, is the salt water gets into the volcanoes and that can upset the magma and make it explode. Another way is there are these bubbles under these volcanoes, and these bubbles are actually pretty big. And these bubbles are explosive, or when the sun wax under the volcano gets too weak, because of these bubbles, the lava bursts out the volcano. Another way volcanoes erupt is under the volcano. Okay, these bubbles rise to the surface. And these bubbles can explode with the power of a gunshot, and they are very big. These bubbles can be 1,444 feet across. Then this happens. These bubbles build up pressure. What causes the volcano to erupt is it causes like these pressure, what Chris was talking about. How pressure gets very tight. There's like too much of it that the volcano just can't hold the pressure in and it explodes. This can actually take like thousands, even millions of years before a real eruption actually happens, so it can be pretty safe. How many volcanoes are there? There are about 1,500 volcanoes in the world. There are different kinds of volcanoes in the world. There are cone volcanoes, and shield volcanoes, and dome volcanoes.
Why are people watching that?
Oh, that's Mount Vesuvius. It's in Pompeii, in Italy.
Huge.
How are volcanoes formed? Volcanoes are formed when two tectonic plates slide across each other. When the tectonic plates slide across each other, they create a small mountain. It starts out as a hill. This takes thousands, like millions of years too. Volcanoes can get taller when they erupt. The lava gets left behind on the volcano, then it hardens. Like right here, then that lava hardens, becomes part of the volcano, which makes the volcano taller. The Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is a ring that goes through Indonesia and North America and South America. It is sort of a ring. It isn't really a ring, if you can see that. And anyway, it is where a lot of volcanoes close together. And the tectonic plates under there, will make the volcanoes. They all slide across each other. Like, each continent kind of has its own tectonic plates, like South America and North America and Australia and Asia and Africa. This is Mount Everest, the tallest in the world, tallest mountain in the world. Today it is 29,031 feet, 30 feet. Before it was 2 years ago, it was 29,029 feet. But that isn't even tall compared to the next volcano. Olympus Mons this is Olympus Mons. It is 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and it is 72,000 feet tall. It is located on Mars, so it is not on Earth. If it was on Earth, wait a minute. Okay, that was supposed to be could. You could see it from space. It is as big as France, as wide as France, and it is the biggest volcano known. You can see that's France down there. Oh, you
Wow,
probably can.
that's interesting.
It is 3 times the size of Mount Everest, you can see.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty tall.
Mm-hmm.
That's the last slide. They didn't create the things for watching. Any questions?
Any questions for Jordan? That had a lot of good information.
Yes, they told.
If the volcano erupts, like, what happens to all the lava when it's all out?
Yeah. Well, lava it doesn't just come all out. There's always still lava under the volcano.
So when it all comes out, what happens to the lava days and weeks later?
It just flows down the volcano and destroys stuff, and it starts to get hard
Uh-huh.
and creates the rocks that make Chris, wasn't it?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay.
It makes, yes.
When was the last time Olympus was erupted?
I am put that on there.
Do you know if that volcano in Mars has erupted? Do we know? Maybe we could look. Probably.
See that top on it? It
Uh-huh.
isn't. I mean, before that was probably colored on the shield. But
Uh-huh.
right now it's actually, I think, a shield.
Okay.
But before, I think it used to have a big top. Yes?
Last question, Anilka.
What is the most dangerous volcano in the world?
Somewhere over there, like green. And, well, Mount Tambora, actually, Tambora had the biggest eruption of any volcano.
Okay.
Yellowstone also had a pretty big eruption.
Okay.
It destroyed the whole park.
Oh wow. I didn't know that. All right, let's give Jordan a round of applause. Good job.